Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, we are back after several days of rest. We are back with the T900 Ultra smartwatch. And of course, this time we are going to check its health function. As you can see here, we do have the medical grade, okay, heart rate, and blood pressure monitoring from Omron. And of course, we have here our T900 Ultra smartwatch. And of course, we are going to compare, okay, the health function, okay, such as heart rate, okay, with our medical grade device here. Okay, we're going to set it up later on. Okay, so if you have any questions regarding this video demo, just drop a comment below and we will try to answer your queries. Okay, so we are ready with our Omron medical device here. We already attached the bag here, the airbag. So we are ready to check our heart rate as well as our blood pressure. So let's see if this thing will work. Okay, seems like it's okay here. Let's see. Okay, so it's working. Okay, as you can see here, we do have the OK symbol. Okay, so let's check. Okay, it's done pumping air and let's wait for the results. After this, we're going to check on our health with the T900 Ultra smartwatch. We will also have a simultaneous detection of our heart rate. So we have here 117/84 and we do have 76. Okay, so we have here our smartwatch. Okay, please remember the results here. Okay, so let's check. Let's wear this. Okay, we're not going to lock it, but we are going to wear it in a sense that it can detect our heart rate properly. Okay. Okay, so that's it. Okay, so the result is 117/84 and 76. Let's go first with our heart rate. We do have 76. So let's check. Okay. Okay, so that's it. We do have 75. Okay. So very close. It's almost similar. Although it expected that the result will be not close due to some factors. But still, as you can see here, it's almost similar in the results taken. Okay, we have the blood pressure. Our blood pressure here is 117/84. Okay, we do have here 120/85. It's also close. That's good. Okay, so let's have a simultaneous detection here. We'll see if it's okay, just a random okay results. Okay, I will start it here first. Heart rate first. Okay, so we do have 84. Let's see with this one. A good result will be plus or minus 3, I think, or 5. So we do have 84. And we have 70 so far. The heart rate or the blood pressure, let's see. Oh, that's the blood oxygen. Or let's do it again. Can't find the blood pressure here. Okay, that's it. Okay, let's try to do it again. 118/80. One 22/84. It's far. Okay. For the heart rate, let's see. Seems like the smartwatch is giving a random number. 81, as you can see here. Do have 81 and we have 72. Okay, seems like a disappointing result. Okay. From the T900 Ultra smartwatch when it comes to health function. What do you think? Just random? We'll see. Let's verify. Okay, so as you can see, I'm not wearing the smartwatch. Let's see. Okay. I'm not wearing it. And let's see if it will show a result. Yep. Just a random, I think. Again. Blood pressure. Okay, there's a random light. Let's see. Okay, so I think it's a fake sensor for the T900 Ultra smartwatch. Okay, as you can see, it's showing results even though that we are not wearing it. Okay, it's showing a random number. Okay, so that's it for the T900 Ultra smartwatch. So if you have any questions about the health function, okay, whether it's accurate or not, I guess we already answered your queries with this video. Again, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Bye.